Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking an image that matches your display resolution so it won't pixelate. This matters for clarity. Once chosen, save it in Pictures or on the desktop so settings can find it quickly. Now open Settings and go straight to Personalization, or right-click the desktop and choose Personalize. Doing this first lets you change wallpaper without hunting for files. Make sure to use an image format the system supports, like JPG or PNG, before moving to the next step. You now pick the file from Background Settings and immediately check the Fit option to control how the image fills the screen. Once done, choose Fill or Fit for single displays or Span for a seamless multi-monitor look. This prevents awkward cropping. If the subject is off-center, crop it quickly in Photos or your editor. That keeps faces or logos squarely visible. Make sure to preview before applying so you see the final composition. Then click Apply or Set as Background. You finish by verifying lock screen and desktop options if you want different images. Windows and many systems separate those settings. Once set, confirm each monitor shows the intended image. Use display settings or a lightweight tool for per-monitor control. If the wallpaper resets or won't apply, check that the file path is accessible, that you have permission to modify settings, and clear any personalization cache. Restarting Explorer or the device often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.